You guys are on Learn Music Now's YouTube channel. It's great to see that you are still pursuing the guitar and you have reached this far, especially when you are about to learn the B major chord using the bar. So how do we play the B major chord? You will learn it in this video. So let's begin with the B major chord. If you have managed to land on this video while you were searching how to play it, be patient. We will break it down and give it to you in bits and pieces. But for those who have managed to learn all the open chords, let's get a nice shortcut for y'all and you will realize how easy it is to move chords on the guitar. So going back to your second chord, that was the A major, which is very simple. So to get a hang of the B major, how do you move this forward? All you have to do is just move this entire chord shape 2 frets higher. That's 1 and then 2. So technically your A major shape is on the 4th fret, which makes your index absolutely free. A small stretch on the 2nd fret and bar the entire 2nd fret. This is the way you will play your B major bar chord. For all those who want to learn the B major chord directly, here we go. Your middle goes on the 4th fret of the D string. Right below that, you place your 3rd, that's your ring, on the 4th fret again of the G string, and below that, nice and tight, squeeze your pinky on the 4th fret of the B string. This leaves your index finger free. Bar it, press it on all 6 strings on the 2nd fret. So if this is a little taxing, if this takes some time, don't worry. You can also start playing a broken shape of the B major just by using your index on the 2nd fret of your E string. Start small, but just make sure that you're strumming only the top 4 strings. Your bottom E and A, they are open, do not strum them. Just play the top 4 strings. This is another shape of your B major, which you can move from your A. Very cool sounding, very soothing. So you can practice that transition going from A to B. But your ultimate goal, your agenda, and your aim should be at getting a proper and a full B major bar chord sound. So get at it and keep practicing. I'm sure you guys are having fun. And in case if you all have any suggestions, if you all have anything to say, make sure you put it in the comments and interact with us, get in touch with us. We have tons of videos coming. We love hearing suggestions from our learners, and we will make sure that we have a lot more cool stuff for you all so that your learning becomes a lot more fun. Keep practicing.